Hi there, welcome to KA Designs. Today we'll be going over the attachment for our Revanesse compatible control ring. This control ring is compatible with all dermal filler products within the Revanesse collection. So we'll start by grabbing our syringe here and removing the currently attached control ring by just snapping it off. Now with the new control ring, you're going to want to start with the slope of the control ring facing upwards, and then just simply line up the adapter of the control ring with the thumb depressor of your syringe. You can start it just like that, and then click it on, and you're good to go.